want to show you how to play Bridge Over Troubled Water by Simon and Garfunkel. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the intro. You've got an E flat, we're in the key of E flat, so you're going to play open fifth, E flat, E flat, B flat, E flat. Then we're going to have a B flat chord, arpeggio, B flat, D, F. Then to an A flat, E flat, open fifth, to an A, F sharp, part of the D chord, and then to the B flat, E flat, then to a C, E, C7 right there, C, E, and then we've got an A flat, E flat, then to an E flat pedal tone, to an A flat, E flat, E flat, A flat, and then the melody comes. So, in the right hand we're going to go E flat and G, D and G, D and F, C and E flat, D, C, C, B flat, G, B flat, C, C, E flat, B and F, F, G, E flat chord with the E flat on top. E flat chord is black, white, black, E flat, G, B flat. We're going to put the G and the B flat down here, down below the E flat. Then we're going to introduce a seventh chord. See, by putting that D flat in there, now we've got a seventh on E flat. Your E flat 7 would be E flat, G, B flat, D flat. So we just introduced that by adding the seventh there. Then to an A flat chord, black, white, black, A flat, C, E flat. You hit it twice, and then arpeggiate down. Now you can either play it here, or you can go up. I like it a little better. It's a little easier to play if you just stay in the same spot. And then you can take this A flat chord up an octave, and it sounds good to roll that A flat chord. So you're going to go E flat, C, A flat, and then back to that E flat chord with the E flat on top. Hit it twice, hit the seventh again, and then the A flat chord, and then go up an octave and roll it. Then come down here for the melody. Now let's put the hands together slowly through that intro. Now here what I like to do is have the A, F sharp come in before the C. Then the same thing here. So play that A, F sharp, D, B flat, E flat. There's the D in there. Now here, speed it up. So there's your C7, C, E, G, B flat. And then we go back to an A flat. Okay, now we've got A flat and E flat in the bass, and we got B and F in the treble there. So that and we're setting up for the E flat. A flat, E flat, E flat 7, roll the A flat chord, and then the melody. Now let's do the melody here. A flat, G, F, E flat. There's filler right there. G and B flat, A flat and C. And then we got A flat, B flat, G, F, E, filler, F, E. C, D flat, C, B flat, E flat, C, C, B flat, G, F, E flat. And then this is all fill. C, B flat, G, F, E flat, C, B flat, A flat, G. That's all filler right there before the next phrase. Then G, F, E flat, F, B flat, G, F, E flat, E flat, F, G, B flat, G, F, E flat, F, F, and then we're into the chorus. D, C, C, B flat, G, B flat, C flat, F, G. a chord there. G, B flat, E flat. So your melody goes right to that E flat, and I'm going to fill that out with the chord. So all we got to do is add the bass in there to that melody. Okay, so that's tricky right there. You got E flat, then hit it twice again with the B flat in there. Open fifth, fill out the chord, and then go to an A flat, and then to the A flat in the bass. So you got E flat, B flat, A flat, E flat, E flat. Then we've got E flat. Now here we're going to have a 6. We're going to have parallel 6 right there. We got C, D flat, C, B flat in the treble and in the melody, and then in the bass we're going to have E flat, F, E flat, and down to an E flat. And then hit 2 E flats and 2 E flat, B flats. A flat, E flat, and 2 of them. There is tricky. What you got? C, B flat, G, F, E flat. Then the bass hits an A flat. C, B flat, G, F, E flat. The bass hits an A flat, and then just walk it down. And then we go close harmony, thirds. G, E flat and G, F and D, D and F. So hit the E flat is short. So the B flat comes after the F right there. I'm going to slow that down so you can see it really slow together. Walk down, E flat, D, D, D flat, then walk it back up. So we're going to walk it down, E flat, D, D flat, E flat, F, G, A flat, E flat open, A, F, and the B flat, D, F chord, the B flat chord. So let's do that. Play the bass in the chorus. We're going to E flat, G, A flat, E flat, A, F sharp, B flat, E flat, C, E, and the A flat chord with the C, E flat, A flat with the A flat on top. So your A flat chord is A flat, C, E flat. We're just going to put that A flat on the top because we're going to a G7 chord right there. Now your G7 is G, B, D, F, and all we're going to play is the B, the F, and the G. We're going from the A flat chord to the G7 to the E flat chord. This time with the E flat in the middle. B flat, E flat, G. See, we're taking the B flat down here. Then we do it again. A flat, E flat, A, F sharp, B flat, E flat, C, E, A flat chord. Now this is a different chord. B, F, A flat. So we changed the harmony just a little bit from what we did before to this sound, and we lead right into the E flat. And then we've got a pedal tone through an instrumental interlude there. I'll show you that in a second. So let's do the chorus slowly. Again. roll the second chord. Then hit it again, and then go to an A flat in the right hand. Back to the E flat chord, to the 7th, the D flat and the E flat. Now the E flat is going to stay in the bass all the time. Just a pedal tone E flat. Even though you're going to an A flat chord, back to the E flat, to the 7th chord, back to the A flat, just keep that pedal tone down there in the bass. Then we come in with the melody again. Jump an octave. Before we didn't do that. So we do the same thing. In setup for the chorus, you have an F natural. But then in the chorus, you have that F sharp. So you raise that F up to an F sharp right there. The chorus, go on. To the tag there, and here's your tag. So what we have right there on the tag, we have an E flat, B flat, E flat arpeggio, just an E flat arpeggio. Goes up and back down. A flat arpeggio. Okay, so we've got an A flat. It's like an A flat 9th chord in there because you've got that B in there. And then we roll the E flat chord. And then while you've got that chord down, you just arpeggiate it out and walk it up, then arpeggiate it up, and then roll the top chord. So it'll sound like. There you have it, Bridge Over Troubled Water. Beautiful piece of music by Simon and Garfunkel. I hope you enjoy playing it.